When you have courses, you would also want to certify people who take your courses, and that's what certificates does. Coming back to certificates, you can have different templates of the certificates that you want to use, and then you can also look at the issued certificates. I click on create a new template. I can use a few certificate templates that GoHighLevel provides us, or we can use a blank certificate. Let's look at these certificate templates. Now, these are some of the templates that we can use. Select this one and click on OK. Here it is. Now, certificate of excellence given to the contact name. Now this is dynamic. Whoever you issue the certificate to, the contact name is automatically going to come up here. Has successfully achieved the certification. You can put up the course name, your signature, your name, your company name, and so on. Once all of this is done, your certificate is ready to be sent. You can send somebody a certificate. The instructor name is Sawan Kumar, the recipient email ID, and the email subject. Once that is done, you can click on send and the certificate goes off to your students. Again, all of this at one place within GoHighLevel. You do not have to go out of the platform, and you can automate all of this. So the moment somebody completes a course, you can automate the system to issue them a certificate without you having to manually issue certificates every time somebody completes the course. And all of this, whatever we have learned till now, right from starting the course, building the course, community, giving access to communities, issuing certificates, all of these can be automated. That's where the true power of GoHighLevel comes. And we'll look at it in more details once we understand how to build courses. So for now, this is all about certificates, and we'll jump on to the next module soon. So do you have any questions? Feel free to ask me and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.